Arrive in style with the Chevrolet 2017 Malibu LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 1 LT, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Chevrolet MyLink AM/FM stereo with 7-screen, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, rear window defroster and 8-way power driver seat adjuster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.